Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. And this video, I am going to create a bullish reversal scanner using a Chartink. So those who have watched my last video, I think it was boring, but there is some concept we are discussing about how to create a charting scanner on the thing on the last video, right? But I'm trying to make a scanner, but I think it was failure. But from that failure, I have learned something very good. Based on that, I find out some great opportunity. That was another breakthrough scanner we are going to create you right now. So last video may be boring, sorry for that, but someone who learned from that also may be good, right? So what the scanner which I am going to create you right now, let's see, this is like a day where I'm thinking about the bullish reversal. So here the day on 15th July, I'm going to find out such a bullish reversal, and you see the last 5 days market were down. So what was the entry point? Around 52.8, 51.9, near about 90 paisa is the stop loss. Within a 3-4 days, the market gives you almost 56 rupees. That made around 55.90, somewhere around 3 rupees. With the risk of 90 paisa, it generates you 3 rupees. Will it good? Yes. That was the scanner which I'm going to create you. And before that, we can see some other stocks like Infosys. On the same day, Infosys also forming such a pattern. So there is a bullish sign after a 5 consecutive down. There is a reversal in the particular stock that was happening in Infosys. That is also be good. That particular candle we are focusing it out. And some other stock NBCC, that is also working good on the day where it is forms the next day. From this bottom, it is moving good. So there is a consecutive 5 days low. There is a down. This was a down from last 5 days. There is no big movement. It is a down, and there was a reversal that has happened. Not only the day, not only that day. We have a lot of days which is forming such a kind of pattern. And one day back around the 14th, this was happening on the 15th. On 14th, the stock which is forms the same pattern in, I think, IGL, Indra Prasad Gas. Let's say this was the pattern which is forms on 14th July, and after that, can you see the move on? Within a 3 days, it went up to 382 from 368. That I am focusing it out. That was a great idea. And a lot of stocks we find it, IGL and BSoft on 11.7, BSoft. So wait, I will create you the scanner. 11.7, this was 11.7. It broke on the next day. From the high of 342, it went up to 346. That's it. 4 rupees. Maybe this was a stop loss. Again, this is what another important. Here it is not repaint. Other if it is triggers you stop loss or target, it will never repaint. This is the pattern where it is forms at this bottom, and it moves very small, and then it triggers your stop loss. If the stop loss is around 342 to 328, it got trigger your stop loss. No problem at all, because here we believe the scanner, it will not or never repaint. That is what the main thing on this scanner. And previously Cipla, lot of stocks law on this day, 8th, I think, yeah, 8th July, when it is broken that 942, it reaches to 989 in a 10 days. Lot of stock will form such a pattern. And few on June 6th, lot of stocks. 𝐂𝐮 Industries, June 6th, where it is June 6th. Here, this is also a stop loss, but it moves well. 147 to it reaches towards 150, and the stop loss for the trade is almost 3 rupees. It generated 3 rupees by opening itself IRCTC. And this was the scanner which I am going to create you for the 6th of where it is here, there is no opportunity. 665, next day also 665. There is no opportunity, it never break down. Sorry, never break up. So there is no opportunity on that thing. Bajaj Finance Services, Finser. Sixth maybe this, there is no opportunity after that, and it fallen down without giving you any opportunity. So I hope you understand what was the scanner it is. It's nothing about hanging man. We can use this hanging man if it is forms at any point of the time. So I use some small 5 days time frame, so we can increase the time frame to get a huge benefit at the lowest level. Reversal also be possible using the hanging man. There is a huge reversal we can find out by using the hanging man. Let I'm going to create the charting scanner, and we can use any time frame. That is not matter. I'm going to create on a daily time frame. Let I'm going to create a daily time frame hanging man. So last video I bored you, so that's why I'm going to give you such a great wonderful scanner you right now. So the open price be greater than close. Okay, yes, open is greater than the close. That means close, open is greater than close. With the same, open is greater than the low. Then close greater than low. And still you got clear. Polycap. Let's see. Yeah. Those are doji like candle. It is an inside bar, and also harami, homing pigeon. So a lot of candlestick scanner available here, and we have to do something big. There is a changes in the bracket. Close minus low. The same which I learned from last video, because I'm trying to create some different scanner. That was giving me a great idea to make a new scanner hanging man that was working well. And open minus close. I'm doing it of stock, and I will filter out this stock very simple way. The open equals to I. Done. The scanner is ready. If you click it, only container corporation. Let's save the bullish reversal by a hanging man. I'll share you on my telegram this one. Okay, this was the scanner name. Okay, we'll save the scan. Submit. Container corporation, Concur, today. Okay, there was a hanging man happening today. When it is broken that high by tomorrow, 677, there is a chances it may go up. And let's say what are the stocks which we have seen by the scanner. I am going to show you. Oh, okay. Okay. Dashboard. Man. Okay. You got it. How many stocks? Which one's a lot of stocks? Here in Reliance, IDFC, NBCC, and recently we seen GoForge on 19.7. But here I'm not using some other filter. GoForge 19.7. Let's look at this big reversal. Right. And what are the recent stock? 2 days back, 21st, Bosch. Here, next day it moves up. And yesterday, that is Friday, Manappuram. I've been in Manappuram Finance. Not giving you opportunity, right? And today, go for, I think we seen that is a Concur. And lot of stock which is forming on the same pattern, like Bajaj Finance, Cipla, Whirlpool, Deepak Nitrate on 8.7. Deepak Nitrate. 87, I think here it is. It's giving you the entry. Then it went up by the next day. And Bajaj Auto, Godrej Properties on the same day of 18. Godrej Properties, 87. There is no opportunity. But after few days later it broken and it went up huge. And Bajaj Auto, there is an entry 87, it moves. That is what the scanner, you can backtest the scanner how it is working and find out the stock where it is forming. So we can filter out even the thing which is happening at the lowest level. So maybe best, so that lowest level we can use the low must be equal to minimum almost it is low. You filter out this filter, we find out very small number of stock, very less quantity, and the number of stock is very less, but we can focus this very good way. On 28th June is the last one on the Bandhan Bank. Not recently we got it, so it's a 28th June. I think where it is 28th June. June 28th. Here is the 28th June. We didn't get any opportunity, so we can hide this. We can get a lot of stocks, and you can focus if the stock is trading 10 days. Let me try it out. We got a lot of stock here recently. We find out a stock on 15th July. It's Infosys. Already you see Infosys that was working good and well. And what was the previous one? So this filter be soft, that is also working well. I think be soft. The day where it is happening on 11/7. Event. I think this was the day, but it was a stop loss. No problem. And previously we seen Bandhan Bank, that is already seen 28.6. Here NTPC on 24.6. So you can change the time frame. NTPC 24.6. I think this was 24.6. From here it went huge, 139 to 152. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. I think this will help you to find out some great trade opportunities. And thank you for watching this. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. I hope you enjoyed this scanner. Thank you for watching this. Thank you so much again. This was the scanner you can copy. This was the name you can search it for. You can copy it, or we can say the scan, say your name. So you can search for the name, you will be finding the scanner, or I will share you on the Telegram channel. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much.